Good afternoon, sir. So now we are going to discuss Section 57, which is procedure. The following steps shall be observed to effect the early termination of probation. So let's start to letter A, and then I will not read it. So it means that the supervising officer or SO who monitors the probationer is responsible for drafting a motion requesting early termination of probation. This motion is then sent to the court overseeing the probationer. However, the Chief Probation and Parole Officer or CPPO must first approve it. And then the CPPO can also take the initiative to prepare the motion. Example, a probationer named Mr. Author has shown good behavior and complete all requirements ahead of schedule. His SO or supervising officer prepares a motion for early termination and submits it to the CPPO for approval. So let's proceed to letter B. So it means that if the CPPO or Chief Probation and Parole Officer approves the motion, the SO must file it with the trial court within 2 days. So I give an example. The CPPO reviews Mr. Author's motion and he finds it valid and approves it. So the SO then submit the motion to the trial court within the required 2 days period.
The next step is letter C. Should the said motion be disapproved, the same shall be filed in the supervision case file record of the probationer for the future reference. Once the Chief Probation Parole Officer or the CPPO disapprove the motion for early termination, then the motion will not be granted at the time of the motion. Instead, it will be kept in the probationer supervision case for future reference, which means the probationer may still be considered for early termination later. Then, especially if they demonstrate good behavior. The final step is letter D. Should the motion be approved by the trial court, the procedure for termination due to successful completion of the probation specified in the rule shall be applied. Once the SO or the probationer got rejected, they can still apply after a few months. Then this time, if their motion for early termination is approved by the CPPO, then it will be filed with the trial court within 2 days. Then the trial court will review the motion and will agree if all the compliance is in terms of the probation condition. Once the court approve the motion, then the early termination will follow, and the standard termination procedure will be followed. That's all.